Next question I am doing for accounts. 60th question for you. XY showed profit and loss in the ratio of 5:3 and the balance sheet is at 31st March 2018. Creditors are given provident fund, workman compensation, capital, and here cash at bank, sundry debtor, provision, stock, fixed assets, profit and loss account is given over there. So profit and loss account is a fictitious assets which is to be distributed among all partners in old ratio. And here workman compensation reserve is to be distributed among partners in their old ratio. The provident fund is not to be distributed never, because that is specifically for the employees. And if nothing is given in the question, if nothing is given in the question about these items, about the treatment of this item, then this item is to be distributed to all partners in their old ratio. That you should know. Otherwise you can't do the question. They admit Z into partnership 1st April 2018 with first 1/8 share in profit, and then Z brings 20,000 as capital and 12,000 for goodwill in cash. So cash is coming, goodwill in cash is coming, so that is why you use premium for goodwill. If goodwill in cash is not brought by the partner, then which account is to be used? New partner's current account. Z acquires his share completely entirely from X. So only X who is sacrificing. So X capital account will be credit only, and we will leave Y. Now the following revolution is very important. Provident fund is to be increased by 5,000. So provident fund is a liability that is to be increased by 5,000. Liability is increasing. So what will be the journal entry? Journal entry they are asking. So I am discussing journal entry with you. So what will be the journal entry? Journal entry will be revolution account debit to provident fund. Because provident fund is a liability, so you will credit it, but you will debit revolution account. Debtors are all good. Therefore the provision for required provision is not required. So there is a provision given that is of 600. Now it is not required because all debtors are good. So you have to decrease the liability. This is the liability. This is another way that you are showing on the asset side while deducting from debtor, but otherwise it is a liability. So liability is decreasing. So what will happen? That provision for doubtful debts account debit to revolution account. When liability will decrease, then you will make it debit and revolution account credit, and decrease in liability showing the gain for the business. Stock includes 3,004 obsolete items. So that there is a obsolete means एक item खत्म हो गई, then that is included in stock, means decrease in asset. You have to decrease the asset. You cannot include the obsolete or damaged item with the stock. तो obsolete item साफ साफ लिखा हुआ है, तो 3,000 stock में से क्या कर दोगे? Decrease कर दोगे. So for stock is an asset. Stock में से decrease करना है तो stock को क्या करोगे? Stock को क्या करोगे? Credit. तो क्या हो जाएगी एंट्री आपकी? रिवोल्यूशन अकाउंट डेबिट टू स्टॉक अकाउंट. क्रेडिटर्स आर टू बी पेड 1,000 मोर. अब ये आपकी लायबिलिटी इंक्रीज हो गई, तो क्या हो जाएगा? रिवोल्यूशन अकाउंट डेबिट टू क्रेडिटर्स 1,000. फिक्स असेट्स आर रिवोल्यूटेड एट 70,000 एंड दैट इज देयर इट इज गिवन 80,000. तो वैल्यू ऑफ फिक्स असेट इज डिक्रीजिंग. जब एसेट की वैल्यू डिक्रीज होती है तो उसको क्या करते हो? क्रेडिट रिवोल्यूशन अकाउंट डेबिट टू फिक्स असेट विद ₹10,000. 10,000 से एंट्री करोगे क्योंकि 80,000 की वैल्यू अब 70,000 हो गई है. जनरल एंट्रीज एंड न्यू बैलेंस शीट. Now new profit sharing ratio. So this is a question. Here is a question. Revolution account, you have to show provision for provident fund debit side because liability is decreasing. Stock debit side, asset is decreasing. Creditors debit side because liability is decreasing. Fixed asset is decreasing, that is why this side. Now credit provision for doubtful debts asset, there is a liability which is decreasing, that is why the credit side. Now there is a loss. The loss transferred to partners capital account, loss of 18,400, that will be distributed among X and Y in the old ratio. So here we are distributing partners capital account, particulars XYZ, by balance BD you are taking balance from the balance sheet. So this is the balance sheet from where you are taking the balance X 70,000, Y 31,000, and here by balance BD 70,000 X and Y 31,000. Now Z is bringing some capital or goodwill in this case 20,000 he is bringing capital, so by bank account 20,000, that is the credit side basically. And then premium for goodwill, that is to be given only X. So what is the journal entry for premium for goodwill? Bank account debit to premium for goodwill account, and then premium for goodwill account debit to X capital account. Workman compensation reserve will be distributed among X and Y in their old ratio like this. Ratio is 5:3, and here revolution account loss is to be distributed on the debit side. This is the debit side, and then profit and loss fictitious assets will be distributed among X and Y in their old ratio, and then the balance will be this 72,625, 25,375 and 20,000. Fine. Now for the sake of your knowledge, balance sheet, they said that they will not ask. Let's see. Balance sheet as of 31st March 2018, liabilities amount, assets amount. Cash at bank, cash, the balance of cash is given in the question. That is given in the question 5,000. But 5,000 is increased by 20,000 capital brought by Z, and then 12,000 goodwill he brought. Nothing is to be given to anybody. किसी को अगर कोई पेमेंट की जाएगी तो वो इसमें से लेस होगी, चाहे वो पार्टनर्स को हो, चाहे वो किसी लायबिलिटी के लिए की जाए, या कोई पैसा अगर आएगा तो वो भी इसमें ऐड होगा. तो नाउ द बैलेंस इज 37,000. 37,000 वी आर शोइंग. सन्ड्री डेटर्स 20,000. प्रोविजन फॉर डाउटफुल डेट्स इज नो मोर. स्टॉक 22,000. फिक्स असेट 70,000. दीज आर द रिवैल्यूड वैल्यू. जो वैल्यू इंक्रीज डिक्रीज हुई है वो हम माइनस प्लस करके इसके अंदर दिखाएंगे. ठीक है. स्टॉक की वैल्यू डिक्रीज हुई है इसलिए 3,000 से 22,000. फिक्स असेट 70,000 होगी इसलिए 70,000. नाउ क्रेडिटर साइड 16,000 बिकॉज 1,000 क्रेडिटर्स हैज बीन इंक्रीज. प्रोविडेंट फंड 15,000 बिकॉज प्रोविडेंट फंड इज ऑल्सो इंक्रीज. नाउ द कैपिटल, न्यू कैपिटल विल शो एंड दिस इज द बैलेंस शीट यू हैव टू शो. फाइन. Now I'm taking up example for you, that is 61st example, and this is only one type of question given in your exercise. So now the question is, okay, now the 61st question.